In the absence of an agreement, partners are entitled to interest on loans and advances. Fluctuating capital account is credited with all of this, that is interest on capital, profit for the year, remuneration to the partners. Profit or loss on revaluation is shared among the all partners in dash ratio, in old profit sharing ratio. The provision for bad debts is made by crediting provision for bad debts accounts. Provisions are charge on profit. Trading account is a nominal account. Only personal and real account is shown in balance sheet. Selling and distribution expenses do not compress of carriage inward. Dash is a summary of all assets and liabilities on a particular date. Balance sheet. Postal expenses account is shown in profit and loss account. Prepaid expenses on financial year relates with following financial year. Goods in transit but not taken in clothing stock will be credited to purchase account or trading account. Net profit is equal to gross profit minus expenses. If clothing stock appears in the trial balance, then it appears in balance sheet. Bonus given to employees is recorded in profit and loss account. In books of manufacturing concern, opening stock consists of all of the above, that is raw material, work in progress, finished goods. Gross profit is equal to net sales minus cost price of sales. A decrease in the provision for doubtful debts could result in an increase in net profit. Which of the following account could be closed by transfer to the trading and profit and loss account at the end of the period? Both sales and salary expenses. In a trading and profit and loss account, excess of net sales over the cost of goods sold is called gross profit. Clothing stock appearing in the trial balance is shown on the asset side of balance sheet. Rent prepaid is shown as current asset. Final accounts are prepared at the end of accounting year. Interest on drawing is gain for the business. While making an adjustment entry in respect of clothing stock, we debit clothing stock. Trading account is a nominal account. The withdrawal of goods from the business by the proprietor should be debited to drawing account. Goods given as a charity should be credited to purchase account. The loss on sale of old machinery is debited to profit and loss account. Only personal and real accounts are shown in balance sheet.